Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Start by preparing your Mac and choosing the image you want to use. Check your Mac OS version, for example Mac OS 14, so steps match your system. Make sure you are signed in with your Apple ID in System Settings. Locate the image file in Photos or Finder, or get ready to take a live photo with the camera. Confirm the image is at least 400 by 400 pixels for clarity. Save a copy in JPEG or PNG format to avoid unexpected compression issues. Open the Apple menu and choose System Settings to begin changing your profile. Click your Apple ID at the top of the Settings sidebar to reach Account Options. Select Name and Photo, then click Edit to open the photo chooser. Choose Camera to take a live shot, Photos to pick from your library, or Browse to select a Finder file. Use the crop tool to zoom and reposition your image precisely. Finally, click Done to save and apply the new profile picture across devices. After you set the new profile picture, allow iCloud a few minutes to sync. Check Messages, Mail, and FaceTime to confirm the updated avatar appears there. Some apps store separate avatars, so update them inside each app if necessary. If the picture does not update, sign out of your Apple ID and sign back in to force a refresh. Make sure your image meets the recommended size of 400 by 400 pixels for consistency. Lastly, restart your Mac if syncing delays persist to resolve
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.